In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Monday.com integration with Microsoft Outlook. Let's get started right from the Monday.com homepage. First, open your Monday.com account and make sure you're logged in with an admin or a user who has permission to manage integrations. You should be looking at your main home or workspace view where you usually see your boards and workspaces. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation area where your account and settings options live. There will be a section or icon that opens up your account menu. Click on that highlighted area to reveal more options. From this menu, you're going to select the administration option. This takes you into the admin center where all your high-level account settings are managed. Once you land in the administration area, look along the left-hand side for a section called Connections. Go ahead and click Connections. This is where Monday.com keeps all the links between your account and external tools, such as automation services and integrations. Inside the Connections area, find and click on Automation Connections. This section focuses on the tools and services that can trigger or power automations inside your boards. From here, you'll see an option called Explore Integrations. Click on Explore Integrations to open the full gallery of apps and services that can connect to Monday.com. In the Integrations gallery, you'll see a variety of tools. Look for the highlighted Integrations section or search bar, which helps you quickly find the app you want. Type in Outlook. If you don't see it immediately, then click on the Outlook integration when it appears. This opens the specific page for connecting Microsoft Outlook to Monday.com. On the Outlook integration page, you may see different plans or connection types. Choose the standard option if that's what's available to you, then click on Use Template. This will load a recommended integration template so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Next, you'll be asked to select where this integration should be applied. Choose the relevant project or board that you want to sync with Outlook. Click on that project so it's selected. Finally, click Connect. At this point, if you haven't already connected your Microsoft account, you'll be guided through authorizing Outlook to work with Monday.com. Follow the prompts, confirm the permissions, and once that's done, your integration with Microsoft Outlook is fully set up. From here, your emails and tasks can start working together inside Monday.com.